If you're still guessing keywords, you're losing money. In this video, I'll show you how pros use Helium 10 to stop the guessing and make more money on Amazon. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. Okay, so let's say we're selling a portable campfire and we're ranking pretty much number one, right? We looked at all the competitors. This is our item right here. Radiate portable campfire, making $26,000 a month. Our competitors are only making $600, $500, almost nothing. So why look at their keywords? We want to find better, new keywords in different categories, in different areas that can make us sell more, right? You can see this is a portable campfire, and I figured out a new keyword that we could use from using this tool called Magnet. So you go to Helium 10, you'll log in, you can go to tools, and then you're going to go to Magnet, which is a keyword research tool, and it's going to look something like this. Next, you're going to put in, I'm just going to put in what my product is. It's a portable campfire, nothing crazy, right? And I'm not analyzing the competition because I'm making so much more sales than the competition like we saw. So we're going to click search portable campfire, and we're going to have Helium 10 find suggestions. Now, once we do this, what we're going to do is we're going to filter it by search volume. So we're going to find the highest search volume, and right away, I see camping essentials. And this is literally a portable campfire, perfect for camping essentials. And if I type in camping essentials, we have it nowhere, not in our title, not in our bullet points. And look how many searches it's getting per month. 175,000 searches a month. So if we put this in our title, because our product is a camping essential, we could potentially get seen an extra 170,000 times, which is quite a lot, right? Especially if you're organically ranking for this. Also, you can see the PPC if you did want to also double down, put it in your title, and run ads for this. You can see what the cost per click is, right? 66 cents. So you know right away you could try to do this. Now, you can see the title density, right? How many competitors, number of page one products with the search keyword in their title. There's around 9. This one has 0. Look, this one has 0. That's because this one's misspelled. So if you wanted to add misspellings, camping essentials dia instead of idea, dia, you can see right here, this is a good one to put in your back-end keywords. So you're going to be putting misspelled keywords behind your A+ content. So you can actually put keywords behind your A+ content, and that's going to help you rank as well. That's a great way to put misspellings to help you rank for those misspelled keywords, or running ads towards this, because people are typing it in. 80,000 people are typing in camping essentials dia wrong instead of idea. So you could totally run ads towards this, right? And then we have different keywords. But I love camping essentials and I love the misspell. There's also fire country that's getting 359,000 searches a month, right? So this could be a good keyword to put most likely in your bullet points for this item, right? Because we have a portable fire. We're not going to put fire country, but we can put something regarding how it's great. It's made in the USA, which is a great portable fire country, right? You could try to word it. You don't want to keyword stuff too much, but if this is getting that many searches and there's only 4 people showing up on the first page that have this in their title, looks like there's a lot of potential here, right? George Foreman Grill. So this one's completely off from our product. So we're not going to add, we would never add something like this. Outdoor decor, we wouldn't add that in there. Indoor grill, probably. Tabletop fire pit. Now this could be a good keyword that we could add potentially. I would only do this one organically because ours is kind of like a portable fire pit. It's not really a tabletop. But again, I already found some really good keywords that we're not using. So Helium 10 Magnet does do a lot of damage. And if you're not using this tool for your keyword research, imagine trying to figure this out yourself. it would take forever, right? You'd have to be like camping essentials one day. It would make no sense, right? But if you have a tool that shows you the actual data, it's much easier to make educated and successful decisions to not only increase your sales, but help you rank for more keywords on Amazon. And that's it for today's video. Have you tried Helium 10 Magnet? Share your results or any other keyword hacks you use in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need any help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our #1 services is our full A to Z Amazon account management service. This is where we'll fully manage your inventory, calling Amazon, customer service, advertising, increasing sales, optimizing your listings with keywords, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business, like doing all this optimization. We'll do it for you so you can save time, money, and increase your sales with EHP Consulting Group. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.